Welcome to a 2018 Loyalty360 Awards preview. Today we're here with Domino's, which is a finalist in the Creative Campaign category. So what are some of the innovative things you're doing that led you to become a finalist this year?
So in 2015, we launched Piece of the Pie Rewards, and at that time, you could only earn points for orders you placed over our digital platforms. But we listened to our customers, and this past year, we rolled out Earn Anyway, and you could earn points towards free pizza if you order over the phone or in store. It was something our customers expected already, and we made it happen, and we are still the only major national pizza company with this capability. The challenge was we needed to get that word out to our customers, and how do we do that with something that they already expected? So we needed to be very innovative with it. And so it started with our TV spot, and in it showed a Rube Goldberg type machine where you place the order and it leads to the next thing that leads to the next thing, and eventually you get your pizza you ordered, and then also you get your points for that order. So it's kind of a mousetrap-like contraption, very fun and cool. With that, we also had digital traffic drivers and in-store initiatives. But at the top of our list of innovative parts of the campaign, we rolled out what's called Piece of the Pie Pursuit. So it's a mobile app game for Android and iPhone, and you can play, anyone can play, members or non, and there's 6 levels. And if you get through all the levels that are super fun and cool and show all the different ordering methods, you get 10 bonus points towards your next free pizza once you order. So just a fun, different way to engage our customers outside of their pizza occasion, so that when it comes to their pizza occasion, they think Domino's first and order.
Great, and why should you win this award?
We believe we should win this award because it's a straightforward program enhancement. Directly addresses our consumer attention. Whether you order online, offline, anyway, you should get your points. And we heard our customers and we made it happen. But we took that mundane, boring concept and made it fun and innovative with technology. And technology is at the forefront of everything our company does. And the mobile game, for example, did that. It's a fun, different way to interact with our customers, and especially interact with them even outside of their buying occasion.
And finally, what would winning this award mean to you and your brand?
So winning this award would reinforce our company's position on our loyalty program, which is giving back a piece of the pie to our customers. We heard them. The data showed that they wanted to earn points in other ways, and we made that happen. And then we also put a twist in there with a fun campaign. So we did this for our customers, and that's what this award is for.
Wonderful. Well, thank you again for your time. Congratulations on the nomination, and good luck at this year's Loyalty360 Awards in Orlando.